You know your fitted sheet? You know how you just throw it in the linen closet? I used to do that too. Your grandma does it, your mom does it, everyone does it. No one actually knows how to fold them until we found this easy step-by-step method. Hi, I'm Abby with Boulevard Home, and we know there's tons of videos out there that show you how to fold a fitted sheet, but some of them are really confusing and hard to follow along. So we've simplified the method and we're gonna show you today. So the first step, lay your sheet down flat on the bed. Take the two bottom corners, flip them inside out, and then tuck them into the inside of the two top corners. Make sure you flatten your sheet out as you go. That is the key to making your fitted sheet clean and crisp. Next, fold your sheet into fourths. Do 2 folds on the left side and 2 folds on the right side. Now fold it in half. Fold the top third of the sheet down. Make sure that there's a little pocket there. With the remainder of the sheet, fold a third up. With the next fold, it will tuck into the pocket. And there you have it, an easy way to fold a fitted sheet. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe and comment down below what household hacks you'd like to see us film next.